What we're going to do today is look at 4 practice problems for adding fractions that have different denominators. The goal will be to get them into the same denominator by creating equivalent fractions. Then all you have to do is add the numerators. You'll see the 4 examples here. Pause the video and try them for yourself, and then check to see if we get the same answer. Example 1. Add 1/3 plus 2/5. First, we have to get these 2 fractions into equivalents. The best way to do that is to find the lowest common multiple of both 3 and 5. In this case, the lowest common multiple is 15. Let's convert these fractions into equivalents with a denominator of 15. For our first fraction of 1/3, we would need to multiply the denominator by 5 to get 15. So we multiply the numerator by 5, and we get an equivalent fraction of 5/15. For the second fraction, we need to multiply the denominator by 3 in order to get a denominator of 15. When we multiply the numerator by 3, we also get a new equivalent fraction of 6/15. Since both fractions now have the same denominator, we can simply add the numerators and simplify if needed. We add 5 plus 6 and we get 11. We put that over 15 and our answer of 1/3 plus 2/5 is equal to 11/15. Example 2. What is 3/7 plus 2/3? The first step is to put them into equivalent fractions with the same denominator. The lowest common multiple of 3 and 7 is 21. The first fraction of 3/7 can be converted into an equivalent fraction of some number over 21 by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 3. The new equivalent fraction is 9/21. We convert the second fraction to an equivalent by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 7, and we get 14/21. We add 9 plus 14 and get a total of 23/21. You may notice this is an improper fraction, which may be fine to leave the way it is, but if the question wants you to convert it to a mixed number, you would write that as 1 and 2/21. Example 3. Add 4/9 plus 2/3. We can see that 9 would be the best common denominator for these fractions because it's a multiple of both 9 and 3. So the first fraction stays the same. We convert our second fraction to an equivalent by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 3. Our second fraction turns into 6/9. We add 4 plus 6 and we get 10/9, which is equal to 1 and 1/9. Example 4. Add 2/12ths plus 1/4. We can use 12 as our common denominator because it's a multiple of both 4 and 12. So again, the first fraction stays the same. We convert 1/4 to an equivalent fraction by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 3. When we do that, we get 3/12. We add our numerators together of 2 plus 3, and we get 5. 5/12. So how'd you guys do? Drop me a comment and let me know. For more practice on adding fractions with different denominators, check out my site at improvemath.com. And for more tips and tutorials, be sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.